It seems like there's more and more updates coming into the world of Toshi every single day. I'm super excited because AI has creeped its way into the Toshi ecosystem, and I'm excited to potentially cover this. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day, and I've been talking about Toshi for over 2 years now at this point. And honestly, guys, it's laid a foundation here in my channel. So if you guys like this type of content, if you like meme coin coverage, this is the channel to be subscribed to. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and like this video because it does help out a lot. Stay until the end if you like what you see. Then do all three of these things. Help me get to 20,000 subscribers. And with that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. So we're going to start off by taking a look at the overall crypto market. Now, it's been rough, right? I don't think anyone could disagree with that. The crypto market has been very brutal to look at. I think we have pumped a little bit. Bitcoin's at 63,000. Ethereum is just under 1,800, pumped 12.6% today, which isn't a small amount by any stretch of the imagination. It's a very good pump to see. And now a lot of people back in February were calling the bottom to be in, but you can see in June we did make those new lows once again. Right, 57,000. And before I even touch on Toshi, I kind of want to take a moment to go over, Benjamin Cowan, his calls for the crypto market. A lot of people have been doubting him. A lot of people have been saying that the bottom has already been in yet. And let's take a look, right? I stated that I ignore Bitcoin as an investment in the first half of midterm years. The second half of the midterm years usually marks the accumulation zone. Today, July 1st, Bitcoin put in a new low, justifying the views I had for the first half of the year. Now, again, guys, I do want to say that I've been talking about it on this channel as well, that I believe that Bitcoin is going to make a new low sometime in the latter half of this year. Now, we did make one in in July. Now, I do believe that going into Q4, right, October, November, September, October, November time, that we will potentially see Bitcoin make new lows once again. And this chart kind of shows us that, right? You can see here, 2018, 5,700 in June/July for Bitcoin, and then 57,000 in July 2026. But that wasn't the ending, right? You can see we did dip a little bit more after that. And I believe this dip is going to happen. It's probably going to happen in this market as well, this cycle as well. We're going to see a dip in October, November time, and that's probably going to erase a lot of the market cap for projects such as Toshi. So just keep that in mind, guys. Getting into meme coins right now is a little bit risky. Now, we did see a pretty big move for Toshi, almost getting over $100 million market cap, where you can see from the lows of 46 million, massive move up towards 60 million. So not exactly close to 100 million, but we did have a pretty significant pump. Nonetheless, that shows you that there's still Toshi holders out there that are bullish on this project. 30% pump in 24 hours is not something that is small, right? It's a pretty big, massive move. And we've been trading meme coins here inside the inner circle. So if you guys want to know exactly what cryptos I buy, exactly what cryptos I sell, you need to be a part of the inner circle. This is my private Discord community where you get my buy and sell calls. You get exclusive content that you cannot find anywhere else, right? Things like what cryptos I'm buying, how to find hidden cryptos, what to look out for, and what to avoid, red flags to avoid. People have made a killing inside of there. Listen, this one guy over here turned his last $10 in his account to over 5K in just 3 weeks. Listen, guys, it obviously past profits don't guarantee future results, but if you're looking for the best crypto community to be a part of, don't look any further than the inner circle. I'll see you guys inside. Now, as for Toshi, one thing I do want to say is that Coinbase and the base ecosystem is heating up, okay? BlackRock just moved $1.2 billion in Bitcoin to Coinbase in 4 days. BlackRock has deposited 20,359 Bitcoin worth roughly 1.2 billion to Coinbase in the past 4 days. Now, massive that everyone, right? Everyone and their mother is using Coinbase as that exchange because it is a household name. Now, Coinbase is pivoting itself from just being a crypto exchange to being the everything exchange, right? It wants to do everything. And that's one thing that I love about crypto. That's one thing I love about Coinbase is that they are going to cater to the needs of literally everyone. And when everyone flocks into the Coinbase ecosystem, they're going to flood into the base ecosystem, which then means the face of base, Toshi, is going to gain a lot more traction and a lot more exposure. Let's take a look at this. Might seem like a massive pump and dump for Toshi, but it actually made some significant progress. We have just broken out from a downtrend made since November 2025 and may just be our small baby steps in completing this down-only movement. With things lining up and Cocos are hinting on massive things to be released, it could be a good time to DCA and place your bets. Now, obviously, not financial advice, guys. But Toshi is sitting at a fairly decent opportunity right now at 50 million. Remember, this was once a crypto project, right? A meme coin project, grassroots growth, okay? No paid KOLs that got up as high as $930 million. This was absolutely massive for Toshi, and I believe that's still sub $1 billion market cap is so undervalued for this meme coin project. Now, here's some cool stuff. People are sleeping on what this could mean for Toshi. Now, what am I speaking about? It's this right here. I'm super excited to share that you can now speak to Toshi and get your work done. Toshi can read your emails. Here, let me show you this. Can read your emails, do your work, and automate your workflows. Pretty soon, Toshi can do a whole lot more, and we expect many more features coming in, including a fully live subconscious. That is absolutely insane. He's the builder. This guy over here, Steve Enamakel. He's the chief builder at Tiny Humans AI, which Toshi has recently just partnered up with. So let's read that tweet over there. People are sleeping on what this could mean for Toshi. Tiny Human slash Open Human now has a public GitHub repo for mascots that show up inside the Open Human app. And Toshi is already in the manifesto. Yes, it is still marked draft, so no, this is not a fully production ready yet, but the direction is obvious. Toshi is being built into the product experience that matters because memes do not win only by being funny, they win by becoming identity. They become the thing users see, choose, use, share, and emotionally attached to. Most memes live on X. Toshi may live inside an AI product. My read is that Toshi may not be the brain of Open Human, but it might be the face, base meme, AI mascot, product surface area, huge community identity. No guarantee. Excuse me, but this is a real receipt. Obviously, things are looking very good for the Toshi ecosystem. Now, I know the price action isn't the most attractive right now, but this is where you double down on conviction. Now, I'm not telling you guys to go out there and dollar cost average your way into meme coins. Genuinely, I'm not doing that because a lot of meme coins right now are at very scarce prices, right? They're at very risky prices. And it's not the smartest thing to dollar cost average into memes, which is why inside of my private Discord, we're dollar cost averaging into real utility plays. But guys, this is a play that when the markets do reverse, when the bottom is in for crypto, it might be worthwhile for you guys to take a look at. And I'm keeping a very close eye on Toshi and the entire ecosystem as a whole. Now, with that being said, guys, I am not dollar cost averaging right now. That is not what I am doing. The Toshi that I hold and I sit on, I am holding that for a good amount of time. And I don't want you guys to get emotionally attached to your bags because there will be a day when I do sell out of it. But today is not that day. With that being said, guys, I will see you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. I'm going to be going to a Brazil World Cup game again. So if any of you guys are there, that'll be awesome to see you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, guys, and peace out.